A ring of radius r is charged uniformly by a charge plus q. The electric field at a point on the axis at a distance r from the circumference of the ring will be equal to. If I consider a ring of radius capital R, okay, it is given a charge plus q, okay, it is given a charge plus q which is distributed uniformly. We have to find out the electric field at this point P, okay, which is at a distance of small r from the circumference of the ring. Okay, let this angle be equal to theta. Now first of all I will take a small charge, that is dq, and find out the electric field along this point. Okay, the electric field will be equal to E. This electric field is given as k q dq. So this small electric field, I will write this as k dq, this is, since this is small electric field, divided by r square. But if I take a diametrically opposite points, exactly opposite to this diameter, and its electric field will be in this direction. So if you see, electric field are in different directions. Now in order to resolve it, okay, in the vertically upward direction, now this is equal to theta. So basically this angle will be equal to theta. So it is equal to E cos theta in the y axis, and in this axis it will be equal to E sin theta. Okay, in this axis it will be equal to E sin theta. Let this point be equal to P, let the center point be equal to O. Okay, so basically you can see that E sin theta of two diametrically opposite points will cancel out each other, and that is in the x axis E sin theta will get cancelled out, and in the y axis it will get added up. Okay, so basically we have to find out the total electric field. Total electric field will be equal to integration of dE cos theta, okay, only in the upward direction. Okay, only in the upward direction. So if I take only in the upward direction, so first of all, what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent over here is equal to OP. This adjacent can be found out as small r square minus capital R square. This OP will be equal to small r square minus capital R square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so it will be equal to integration of this part, which is equal to integration of k dq divided by r square into adjacent over here is equal to small r square minus capital R square divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse over here is equal to r. Okay, hypotenuse over here is equal to r. So basically when I integrate this part, rest of the terms are constant. So it will be equal to k r square minus capital R square the whole raised to half divided by r cube into dq. The integration of dq will be the entire charge. Okay, so let us see which of the options match over here. So if I see the options, the option number C matches, that is equal to kq divided by r cube into small r square minus capital R square the whole raised to half.